This is an example of a quadratic expression. Now, there's a simple trick I do use to factorize quadratic expressions like this. Get yourself a rough sheet like this, and you draw something like a triangle. Then you multiply plus 42 times a squared. That will give you plus 42a squared. Plus 42 times a squared will give you plus 42a squared. Then this minus 17a here, we bring it down here. Now, the aim is to look for two numbers that when they are multiplied together, they will give you 42, and when they are added together, they will give you 17. Now, I'll try something like this. 42. 2 in 42 will give you 21. 3 in 21 will give you 7. And 7 in 7 will give you 1. Now, what we need is right here. 2 times 21 will give us 42. 3 times 14 will give us 42. 7 times 6 give us 42. Now, remember that the aim is to look for two numbers that when added together give us 17, and when multiplied together give us 42. Now, 2 times 21 will give us 42, but 2 plus 21 will not give us 17. Will not. 3 times 14 will give us 42, but 3 plus 14 will give us 17. Yeah, but the signs will differ. So what we need is also right here. 3 and 14. So come right here. 14 and 3. That's minus 14 and minus 3. Do not forget to put the a. Now, minus 14a times minus 3a usually give us plus 42a squared. Minus 14a minus 3a give us minus 17a. Let me come again. Minus 14a minus 3a will give us minus 17a. So we've got our numbers here. So we have this a square here, a square, minus 14a, minus 14a, minus 3a, minus 3a, plus 42. Now, what we need is right here. A into bracket a. Now, look closely. A times a will give us a squared. This minus here, we bring it down. Minus. Then 14. Now, look closely again. A multiplied by 14 will give us 14a. A multiplied by 14 give us 14a. Yeah, that's right. And minus 3 is minus 3. You bring it down here into bracket. This a, you bring it down here. Now look closely. Minus 3 multiplied by a give us minus 3a. Then this plus 42. Then you do 42 divided by 3 will give us 14. So bring it down, minus 14. Now you will notice that the sign here is different from the sign here, and the sign here is from the sign here. Now, how did we arrive at a different sign here? Plus divided by minus will give us minus. But minus divided by minus will give us plus. So that is settled because plus divided by minus is minus. So close the bracket. I have the final factorization. A minus 3. A minus 3. Close the bracket. And A minus 14. Any of the two. A minus 14. And that's it. So we can see it's very simple. All we just did was apply a simple trick here. Draw this line. Then 42 times A squared. That's plus 42 times A squared plus 42A squared. Then minus 17A, we brought it here. Then we looked for two numbers that when multiplied together will give us plus 42A squared, and when added together it was minus 17. And how did we get it? We started by using 42. 2 in 42, 21. 3 in 21, 7. 7 in 7, 1. What we needed was here. 2 times 21 gives us 42. 3 here times 14 gives us 42. This 7 times 6 gives us 42. So 3 and 14 when multiplied together give us 42, and when added together give us 17. So we had minus 14a and minus 3a. I brought them here. I factorized it. Now here is another example of a quadratic expression. Now, like we did in the earlier example, we apply our trick as usual. X squared multiplied by minus 20 give us minus 20x squared. Minus 20 times x squared give us minus 20x squared. X squared times minus 20 give us minus 20x squared. So the same thing. Then plus 8x, we bring it down here. Then we apply our way as usual. This 20 is brought down here. Now 2 in 20 give us 10. 2 in 10 will give us 5. And 5 in 5 will give us 1. What we need is right here. Now 2 times 10 give us 20. And 5 times 4 will give us 20. Now, which of these two numbers, when multiplied, will give us 20, and when added, give us plus 8? Now, 2 times 10 give us 20. 5 times 4 give us 20. Now, 5 times 4 will give us 20, but 5 plus 4 will not give us 8. Now, let's check this. 2 times 10 give us 20, and 2 minus 2 plus 10 give us 8. So what we need is here. So come here, plus 10 and minus 2. Do not forget to put your x. So these are the two numbers we need. So come here, x squared plus 10x here, plus 10x, then minus 2x here, minus 2x, and minus 20. So x into bracket x. Now look at this. X multiplied by x will give us x squared. Then we bring down this plus and bring down 10. Look at this closely. X multiplied by 10. X multiplied by 10 give us 10x. X multiplied by 10 give us 10x. X multiplied by x give us x squared. So that's settled. Then minus 2 is brought down into bracket. This x, bring it down. Look at this closely. Minus 2 multiplied by x will give us minus 2x. Minus 2 multiplied by x give us minus 2x. Once again, minus 2 multiplied by x will give us minus 2x. Then bring down this. 20 divided by 2 give us 10. 20 divided by 2 give us 10. Put it here, plus 10. I explained earlier that the reason why there's difference between this minus sign here and the sign we have here, which is plus, is because minus divided by minus give us plus, and plus divided by minus will give us minus. Let me put it here for you. Minus divided by minus equals to plus. Y plus divided by minus equals to minus. So that's it here. So minus divided by minus give you plus. So you have it that way. So now we have the final factorization, x minus 2 and x plus 10, any of the two, x plus 10. That's it. So how did we get this once again? We looked for two numbers that when multiplied give us this, and when added will give us this. And factorize this way and got these two numbers and put them here, fix them in here, factorize this way and got an answer. Thank you.